Welcome! In this video, I'll introduce you to B12's AI agent, a new way to manage your website. You'll learn how to access the AI agent, use it to edit your website, and troubleshoot using history snapshots if needed. With the AI agent, instead of digging through menus, you just type what you want. The AI agent makes the changes for you in seconds. At the top of the left sidebar, you'll see two tabs: Edit and AI Agent. The Edit tab lets you adjust individual settings for your website, like design, pages, and client engagement tools. The AI Agent tab is where B12's new AI helper lives. A chat panel will open where you can type your requests directly. The AI agent can handle many types of actions, such as adding new pages and sections, replacing text and images, changing your site's design, colors, and many more. Let's see it in action. Let's say you want to add a page for your services. Type, Add a services page. Press Enter to execute the prompt or click the up arrow. In a few moments, the page is created instantly. Now, let's try to add a gallery section. Type, Add a gallery section to my services page. Within seconds, the section appears. You can also change text, swap images, or even adjust your overall design. For example, type, Switch my site colors to red. Sometimes, the agent will ask for clarifications. Choose the best one that fits your needs. Watch as the AI agent does its magic and updates your design. The agent can also suggest new content, blog ideas, or SEO keywords to help improve your site. Just type in your question and it will suggest some answers. For best results, keep prompts focused, specific, and clear. Requesting 1 to 3 changes in a single prompt is better than creating a long laundry list. Always review the changes to confirm they were applied correctly. The AI agent is powerful, but it's still new. Sometimes it may say a change was made when it wasn't. If that happens, you can always make edits manually in the editor. If you need help, click the chat button in the lower right corner to access the Help Center or chat live with support. If you want to go back to a previous version of your website, you can use history snapshots. Go to the website sidebar, then select History. Browse your edit history and click Restore to bring your site back to a previous version. Your site is automatically saved every 30 minutes. And you can also add snapshots manually with short descriptions to stay organized. When you're happy with your edits, you can publish directly from the AI agent too. Just type Publish my website, click the Publish button that will appear, and your live website updates right away. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.